I love it. Uso, real talk. This is my first time ever doing something like this. It's my first time ever doing something like this, and I love it. Uso. Every time when I post my video on TikTok, they say, "Man, you done got famous." Like ever since you said that video shit. Oh, I want my boy Foshay on your live on TikTok. Everybody said, "Man, you done got famous." I said, "Oh hell
Welcome to Uce, the podcast you can't refuse. From the heart of Samoa, we bring the news. Entrepreneurs, creators, sharing their views. Listen on Spotify, our hearts in play. Apple's got the vibe, hit record, press play. Live on TikTok, streaming all the way. YouTube, Facebook, we're here to stay. Tales of the hustle, dreams come alive. Building the future, watch them strive. Uce, Uce. Tune in and vibe the drive. Uce, Uce. Tune in and vibe the drive.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? I'm your host, Uce. Welcome to another podcast of the Uce Podcast. Today's episode, man, I got my brother Foshay from TikTok Sensation right here with us, man. What's up, Uce?
Hey, what up, my Uso? It's your boy. You better watch your muckers. Oh,
it's your boy, man.
Oh, with the loafers from our way to your way. Oh, you gonna play roast beef? Boy, stop play too much. Yes, sir, about the Wayus. Yes, sir.
I love it.
I appreciate that. Yes, sir.
Well, I appreciate you doing that. I'm about to use that as a sound bit, brother.
Oh, good. Hey, that's the welcoming right there. You heard me?
Yeah. Well, for the YouTubers, for the podcasters, for my Instagrammers, those that are not familiar with Foshay, man, this man is a sensational guy. One of the TikTok, at least from the 684 to the 685.
Already.
Superstar of TikTok, man. I thank you, brother, for coming on the platform, Uso.
Yes, sir. I appreciate that. Uso, appreciate you for bringing me on. You heard me?
Yeah, bro. So, when I seen you, man, I seen you a while, bro, but I had to, get my followers up to par to where I'll be able to reach out and where you can see that, okay, this who's got a little bit of something going on. So that way you can come
even if you
platform,
didn't have the followers, Uce, I'm down with it. You heard me? I'm like that.
You,
yeah.
Man, shout out to Smack. Shout out to Coconut.
Yes, sir.
Ooh, all my Usos that be coming through too, bro. Y'all be showing love for real, bro.
Smack and Coconut Uce. Let's go.
Yeah. Them Usos be doing the same thing, bro. I reach out to them too. I know they be checking my followers. They'll be like, let me just avoid this dude.
Yeah, bro. I don't even look at that, Uce. Yeah, anything to help you get your followers up, I'm down with it. And
then, that's what I'm talking about, man.
Yeah, and then like I told you earlier about the Uso, that Samoan Terminator. So,
Well, sure, let's jump right to it. Uso, how the hell did you meet David Tua, brother?
Man, you know what? It's a story, Uce. I didn't even know about David Tua until my dad told me about him. And the fight that I first watched with David Tua is with him and Ike Bucci.
Okay.
That was 98, the fight in 98. Yeah. So ever since then, I started following him. So when I came to the state, like I looked up to him like an idol, like I wanted to be like him so bad. So when I came up to the state, everywhere I moved, I have all his pictures. I have all his videos, like everything, collected everything about David Tua. So when I met him, my first time meeting him was 2007. So, my sister, being on dialysis, I was on dialysis, Uce. I was on dialysis 24 years doing dialysis. Got a new kidney. Blessed. Thank you so much. Thank you, Lord. So David Tua, my sister said, man, I'm going to set him up. So 2007, I was up in Illinois. 2007. My sister said, hey, you know what? So she was emailing people. So Sika, Sika and Alpha?
Yeah, Sika and Alpha from wrestling. Yep.
Yeah, I think Sika's wife caught my sister's email. And then she sent it to Tua's wife at the moment, at the time then, Robina. And Robina sent it to David Tua and found out later that David Tua's trainer lived like 30 minutes away from where my sister was, up in Illinois.
Damn.
Roger Bloodworth. Yeah, so I guess my sister didn't tell me nothing. So my sister said, man, you know what? We're going to a Samoan birthday party. So we went Red Lobster. I got all freshed up, cut up and everything. You hear me? So we went to Red Lobster, and all of a sudden, like 30 minutes later, she said, oh, the birthday boy here. Tua pulled up with the trainer and the wife. and the trainer's wife, man, I started balling out. I still got pictures and from back then and shit. So that's how I met David too. And then all of a sudden, I met him like 3-4 times after that. I went to his Hall of Fame last year in June in Florida. So I went to the Hall of Fame, and when I was in the hospital in 2020, he came and visited me. Came and visited me in 2020 when I had my kidney transplant. So yeah, so ever since then, been history. So we talked earlier too. Whenever he got time, he'll call me up.
Man, that's love, brother. I see
Yeah,
you got a big heart, man. For somebody that's very small, you got a big heart, brother, and it
yeah,
shows.
yeah. Oh,
It
always,
really does
always,
shows.
always, always. Keep it like that.
Man,
Yep.
any kind of stories that you have with David Tua? You know what I'm saying? Any
Uh,
interesting stuff that something that the world hasn't even been put on? What's the USO
mm-hmm.
like? What is the
Oh
USO like?
man, he's so calm, also. Like he's willing. Like he's not like other people, like other famous people when you try to talk to them, they shake you off and all that. But
Like
with
The
the
Rock?
Uso, yeah, oh well, something like that. I don't know how he is, but yeah, but the Uso David too, man, he's down to talk to you because when I was in Vegas, like with family event going on, I'd be calling him up and I introduce like the people, the family, everybody there. He'll talk to him. Like, he'll talk to him like, the Uso just speaks out one all the way, man. Nothing, he's cool like that. And I asked him about it. Like I told him that we was gonna do this tonight. And I
Hmm.
told him, man, I might get you on the Usos podcast. He said, well, just let me know. Yeah, so
Man,
I said, well, it was but it's all good, Uso. But the Uso, yeah, so I mean, I think 2013, he invited me out to his camp. 2010, he invited me out into his camp in Arizona. I was on dialysis then, so I was out there for a whole week. So he took me to dialysis, come back, he'll go to training, and I'll just stay at the house. So it's good time, man. That guy's good, man. That's a good Uso right there, Uso.
and that's
So
when you was in Florida?
Florida for his Hall of Fame, one of his Hall of Fame. Yep, yep.
I
And he's
see
got
it. Yeah, go ahead.
another one coming out next year in March. And he said he'll let me know the date. It's up in Indiana though. Indiana. I said, hey Us, I'm coming. I'm
When is
coming.
this? When is this? Indiana when?
Indiana in March, I think around March. March, yeah.
Talk heavy, Uce. Your boy from
Uh,
Kentucky, Uce. That's
hey, I'm
right
gonna
up the
keep you up.
road,
Yeah,
baby.
yeah. I'm gonna keep you
Hey,
up to date, Us. We gotta roll to that.
oh snap. Man,
Yeah, we
I
got
gotta
to.
drop a file. I'm for this one, yo. The fact of how boxing is, man.
Right, right, right,
It's all
right.
about scores, points,
You right.
right?
You right.
The fight
Right.
with Lennox Lewis. That
Yeah,
one right
yeah,
there, man. I was really heated because I was just
yeah.
like,
I know a
man, this
lot of
dude
people
being a
was also
punk, bro. He being a
a
punk.
lot,
He
a
just
lot of
keeping the
people.
distance. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, a lot of people was. But when I talked to the Uso, they said he was hurt in training camp before the fight, but he still took the fight. Like his ribs, like his left ribs. Yeah, so that reason why he really didn't. I think he left one of them, so he really didn't throw one of the hands. He was just throwing the left hook all night. So, but it's whatever happens, happens. So, it's all good.
Hey, that's showtime for you, man. Because it looked like the Uso didn't look like himself. You know what I'm
Right. It
saying?
didn't. Yeah, you're right. It really didn't. Yeah, it really didn't look like him. But I already asked him and I said, man, you got anything going on? Because he's still training. He's still training every day. I see him on Facebook training every day. So I said, man, you ain't got nothing going on. He said, I'm waiting for Mike Tyson. I said, hey, Uce, you probably not gonna get that fight, man. Mike Tyson too old right now. I said, you need to go to Jake Paul. You need to go finish him up.
For real, man. He would have laid yeah, he would have. I don't think Jake Paul will take the fight though.
Yeah, probably not. Probably not. He probably not not gonna take that fight. He probably not gonna take that fight. So, but
Yeah, all the
yeah,
boxers know about David Tua, man,
yeah,
especially those that
yeah,
love fighting and stuff. But
yeah,
anyways, brother, that was just interesting, bro. But
yeah,
let's get back to Foshay. So is it
right, right.
Foshay or is it for show?
Foshay,
Foshay.
Foshay, and you know what else? I came up with this name, right? I made this name up. I made it up. I made it up.
Okay.
So before I used to spell it Foeshay.
Like faux
Yeah,
live,
yeah,
how we
yeah,
how we
yeah,
spell things back
yeah.
then. Yep.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Like family over everything, and then
Yep.
Shay. You know. So, but the name started when I was, I used to work at the warehouse back then, like 2014, 2015, and I did like 40 hours in 2 days. So they called me all day. So as All Day was, building up the name All Day, I just put the Foshay with it, just go with the Shay, Foshay. And then, the meaning to it is like for show or for real. So I just stuck with that name. Ever since then, 2014, I started that name, Foshay. Yeah,
Damn.
so yeah, All Day Foshay.
Oh, Dave Foshay. Hey,
Yeah,
bro, you know what? But you represent us, the polys that be working the warehouse, baby, because
always.
that's all I do, man. I call that the logistic world. You know what I'm saying?
Hey,
So
that's it.
I see you. What are you doing? Are you calling out? What's the call that you're calling out over
Oh,
there?
all cans up, like all cans up
Yeah, what does
means,
that mean?
them, yeah, all cans means that means all the workers in the warehouse. So everybody
Okay.
just need to work and get it done. So, once the last can get in, that's when they all come, hey, all day, come on, man, they're ready, come on, all cans up. So I just go stand up the stairs and all cans up. Everybody starts screaming and being happy and shit because all the work in the warehouse. But a lot of people say don't say it because a lot of people are gonna move slow too. Yeah. A lot of people even though they say don't say it, I'm gonna still say it. Yeah.
Also, man, so I'm going to assume because you say you had dialysis
Yeah, I was on
and you had
24 years.
was it a kidney or was it
Kidney,
so
kidneys.
kidney?
Yes,
And
kidney.
you've been blessed to get a transplant to where
Yeah, twice. So
wow.
I was the youngest one to start in Pang Pang, American Samoa, in Samoa.
Okay, so you
I
from
was,
Bango.
yeah, I was the
Okay.
youngest one to start out. I started in 91 at 8 years old on dialysis at 8 years old. And I started off with pneumonia. So I had pneumonia like around 5, 6. So I keep going back and forth, Samoa, Hawaii, Samoa, Hawaii. And then all of a sudden at 8 years old, they say I got to be on dialysis. So from
Wow.
8 years old all the way to 2010, that's when I got my first kidney. Got my first kidney. And then, to me, like, I thought, like, when you get a kidney, then you don't
Mhm.
have to worry about nothing. Like, nothing is
Yeah.
restricted. You, like, do anything, eat, drink, whatever. So I was still drinking that. And then 5 years later, I was drinking one of the Uce, and all of a sudden, like, passed out, woke up the next morning, went to eat, and I wasn't feeling good. So the doctor said, man, your kidney messed up. You got to get back on dialysis. And what I said also, I said, I was tired of dialysis. I told him, man, I'm not doing that no more. I'm just ready. I'm ready to be gone with, I'm
Mm.
just ready to quit and all that. So family started calling me, why you want to be so selfish and all that. So, and then I think about it twice. I got a daughter. I have a daughter. And then I had a wife back then too. So I said, man, why am I being selfish? I got a little girl right here. She's 7 years old. Like, why am I doing this? So I said, you know what? I'm gonna keep going. And then 5 years later, it was from 2015 to 2020, they called me back. I was up in Illinois though. They called me. Georgia
Wow.
called me. Yeah, my first kidney was up in Missouri. Up in Missouri. My first kidney was up in Missouri. And then my second one was in Georgia. So I was up in Illinois. And then 2020, they called me. They called me midnight. They said, oh, hey man, we might have a kidney ready for you. I said, oh, what? They said, just be prepared. Just be ready to come to Georgia. And then 2 hours later, they said, yeah, just get ready. So the next day come, like 2, 3 in the afternoon, my sister said, man, they ain't called you back yet. She said, go call them back and see what's up. I said, you know what, sis? I'm not calling them back. I'm gonna leave it up to God. Whatever he's giving me, that's for me. You know, if it's not for me, then I'm not worried about it. And then 3 hours later, they called me back. Hey, we ready. You ready to come to Georgia? My sister paid our fare. Man, we came to Georgia. She took me straight to the hospital. And I got a kidney dancing. And then this was 2020, November, all the way till now, all the way
Wow.
till now. So no dialysis for your boy. I'm just
Damn.
blessed.
God is good, man.
Yeah, always, Uso.
So that
Always.
I can assume, like I was saying, I'm assuming that's where the energy and the passion that you have in life
Yes,
that you
Uso.
give your fullest.
Yes, that's it, Uso. Because even my ex-wife left me that same year before I got a kidney. Left me that same year. So I said, you know what? I was hurt for like a month. And I think about it. I started rethinking my life over. I said, man, a lot of people don't last on dialysis. And God brought me this far and two kidney transplant for me to cry over somebody. I said, you know what? I'm done with this. So a month for O's. Ever since then, so nothing bothers me no more. I'm happy every day. I have no bad days. So I'm serious. Like everything is up to God for me. So and that energy and everything. Real talk. That's why I keep the workplace positive. You know, every time I go in there, they say, "Man, you play too much." So everybody been saying that now at workplace.
Yeah,
Man, you
yeah.
play too much. Yeah. Well, I'll say light work shit. So,
Where did
yeah,
that whole thing come, man? That's a powerful message, bro. And that's another reason why I enjoy podcasting and bringing folks like yourself.
yeah, yeah,
It's the why. That's where the
yeah.
why Uce came from.
Right.
It's like, bro, what gives you fire? And just hearing you, and even just having a little conversation before this podcast, right? Through
Yeah.
text message and phone call. It's like, man, you full of spirit, man. You can feel the energy.
Always.
For those that
Yeah.
are don't know this man, I can see why you got a lot of positive. And
Yeah.
it's amazing how a lot of people gravitate towards the light. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
They want positive stuff in their life, man.
Of
People are
course.
just tired of going on TikTok and seeing people argue or try to
Right.
say
Right.
this or that, the
Right.
drama,
Yep.
you know, and I see your content, man. Every time you're putting stuff out, bro, it's like within less than 24 hours. I'm like, this is already at 100 likes. You
Yeah, and that's my thing. Also, like even the negativity that come to me, even the negative comments. When I reply back, I make it funny. I
Yeah,
try to make it funny, reply back to them and all that. But that's the on me on social media. I'm more about positive and try to give up the good energy. You know what I mean? Just make everything funny. A lot of people some people look at it like it's not funny, but to me, it's funny. So
yeah.
you know what? That's my thing. So if it ain't funny to you, it ain't okay. I just
Where did that
so,
come from?
oh, they get
LAKICC.
oh,
Where
they
did
was
that whole thing come from, brother?
real no. So like all of a sudden, one day I was recording a video at the airport. I was on the forklift just recording. Then all of a sudden, I just said, "Yeah, they okay." I just so ever since then, I started bringing all my videos. I keep saying the same thing. Yeah, it just came out of nowhere. Also, in the
Did
watch your
you
mouth.
know?
Huh?
What your-
I didn't know it was gonna be big like that. Also, but you know what? Also, ever since I came out with the Lick Agency, that song Lick Agency came after. I said, "Oh, y'all gonna do that song?" Hey, Lick Agency, hey,
Hey,
Lick.
you better look them artists up, Uce.
You're
There's an
right.
actual song like that. I never heard of it. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
it
have to
is.
tune it in,
Ooh, that
Uce.
song hits hard. Also on
Who
TikTok.
sings it?
It's a lady. I think so. Fun. I say, I did, I just. That's the hook. The whole hook. So real talk. So you better look it up. And then the spelling of my Sesi is Sesi. You
Yes,
know how we
yes.
say it in some more is
Uh-huh.
Seisi. So
ISI.
easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I say Sesi, Sesi. So make it easier. I did, I just.
And I know that because so are you in Atlanta or what part of Georgia you in?
Yeah, I'm like 15 minutes away from Georgia, from Atlanta. From
Oh
Atlanta.
yeah, so you probably got all the oolies out there saying Lake ACC.
Yeah, they don't even know how to say nothing like that. They say play too much though.
Oh, play too
Yeah,
much.
play too much. But yeah, they'll call me all day. Play too much. Yeah.
Also, man, remember I told you over the phone, bro. My question too, man. I have this thing. It might just be just me, but what I don't understand, and I feel like for representation, why does our poly people like to eat on TikTok, eating food, bro?
Oh
But
man.
when they go live, what's the whole vibe about that,
You
man?
know what?
Educate
Also,
your boy, bro.
yeah. You know what? The food eating for me. I started on Facebook. You know the page Foodie for the Booty.
Foodie for the booty. Shout out to
Yeah.
Foodie for the booty,
Shout
baby.
out to Foodie for the Booty. That's where I started from, Uso. And that's where my word watch your macas came from.
What?
Yeah, it came from watch your must all started off because I was on Foodie for the Booty like 3 days, 3 times a day, every day. Every time I eat something, I'll go live on Foodie for the Booty. And I'll start yapping, talking to people, and my food just sit there. And everybody said, "Man, let me eat your food while you start talking." So it started from there. So it just be I like to eat so but I don't know about everybody else, but maybe they just want to show their food or trying to promote a place, where
Bro,
they go to food.
it's just amazing how people are tuned in to people eating food. Because
Right.
I do like little short reviews on food too,
Yeah,
and
yeah.
those are picking up a lot of catch on, and I'm like, why? I just don't
It is.
understand why,
It
yo.
is. It is. It is, Uso. But they might not want me to come, do reviews on their food because I'll tell the truth. You might not like my reviews. If I like it, I'm gonna say something. Oh yeah, hell yeah, go to it.
Damn.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
So going back on that, bro. Let's get back to your work, man. Because your work,
Yeah,
you be shooting your live up there, man. I
yeah, Uso.
wish my job where I'm allowed to do the same thing, but I can't
Mm.
for the
Yeah,
work
yeah.
that I do.
I feel
And
you. I understand. I
yeah,
understand.
what gives what? How is work? They haven't even said anything, bro. Like, how are you able to be able to do your live and just keep going? You know what I'm saying?
Oh, it's just me, Uso. I mean, like real talk, Uso. You can probably most of the workers there, you can probably ask them about all day. They'll know. I'm probably is the hardest worker in there. Like,
Mm,
I go hard. Like when cause every night we build a team of 5 people. So a lot of people don't have the energy I got because after we build up a can, I say, man, let's move on to the next one. They might say, oh, day, can we get a 5 minute break? I say, hell no, we going. Come on, let's move on to the next one. Like I try to keep them going. Like I like to get the stuff out the way, finish that shit. Man, we can rest after that. And then y'all here trying to chill. Like I ain't never met nobody that's gonna work like that. But a lot of people gonna vouch like for all day. Oh man, that boy go hard. So I do too. So I start at 10 to 6:30 and I clock in at 7 at the other job all the way till 3:30 or 4 in the evening. So whenever I'm done it, just go in. So I usually work 7 days a week. But today,
why,
Tuesday,
brother? Go
huh?
ahead. Go ahead. But today, Tuesday,
But
what?
today, Tuesday, they just changed my schedule for night shift. It used to be Sunday, Monday. So I didn't have no days off. So on my day shift, I'm off Tuesday, Wednesday, and on my night shift, I'm off Monday, Tuesday. So I got a whole day of Tuesday off. So, but it's up to me if I can go in to work or not, help out or not. So,
So why do you do that, bro? Why don't
oh
you do
shit,
your content, brother? You got
yeah,
so much followers where you can start
I
focusing
feel,
on social
yeah,
media, my
yeah,
brother. Is
yeah.
it the
You're right.
money? Is it the
No,
money,
no, no,
or you
no,
just
Uso.
love to work?
I love to work, Uso. Like when I
Got you.
had that one job, that day shift job, I started at 6 all the way to 3. So when I get home, I said, man, I'm bored. I ain't got nothing to do. So that's the reason why I got the night shift job. I like to stay active, like my energy just staying active, moving. I don't like to sit around too long. Even when I'm at home on my off day, I go clean the car, do laundry, whatever I can do, just stay busy. So,
So whoever lungs that you got, bless his heart, but he gave you or she or he gave you energy.
oh no, I gave myself some of that PP. Boy, you
Oh,
play too much.
damn, bro.
Yeah, I got the energy for days. That's why they call me all day. You know,
So oops,
90 some
man.
hours a week.
That's what I'm saying. 97.
98 the most I
Wow.
did a week. Yeah, 98 some hours a week. Yeah.
But then when you
Yeah.
take vacations, I'm assuming you take long vacations. Oh
Now,
wow.
probably a week. Probably a week vacation. Probably just a week. Yeah.
Shoot, bro.
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, hats off to you, man, for real, for being on that grind and stuff.
Yeah, of course. I keep it grinding. You hear me? Gotta
I hear
stay
you,
active.
bro.
Yeah,
And the,
gotta
and the
stay active.
whole the whole TikTok thing and the Facebook thing, man, where did that all come about? Because you were bored?
So I don't know, man. I just started creating a TikTok account, but when I first created, I just did like, lip singing, like songs and all that, like
Yep,
different
yep.
content like that. And then now it's so many people like want me to you know, do reviews or do a duet or a lot of people send me like they picture, even like like most females, for example, females, they'll message me on Messenger, hey, can you do a video for me? I say, you better watch out, because I do nothing but love songs, so I say I do nothing but love songs. So if your man get mad at me, hey, go talk to your girl. Don't come at me. I said, my bad, it's my bad, my bad. So a lot of them, that's why when you see a lot of my videos, like for
uh,
requesting for girls or birthday shout out and all that. So I do a lot of that too. So now it's all mix of everything. So it's all a mix of everything. So
and do you do that for free or do you charge them?
yeah, I do it for free. So,
That's
yeah,
love, brother.
yeah,
That's love,
always,
man.
always, always. A lot of people say, man, you need to charge in, but I'm not like that. You hear me? It's yeah, but We got to do it someday.
We gotta do it someday.
Yeah, someday.
Someday,
Yeah.
but not today. Because
Yeah,
I
not
think
today.
that's what it's probably why you get a lot of the followers, bro.
Yeah, of
Because
course.
everybody
Number
love
love.
your energy.
Yep.
One day somebody will be able to just, you know what I'm saying,
Of course.
utilize
Yeah.
you into a place where you can start,
Yeah.
making that change. I wish I was the one, but I don't
Yeah.
have the idea. I don't even have the formula to find
Mm-hmm.
out how to capitalize off of that stuff, man.
Yeah, I've been having so many monetized like sending me stuff to, like them sell stuff on TikTok and all that. I ain't never did it, you know. I never
Okay.
did it or did anything about it, but it's all good.
Well, for those that are tuning in, man, you hear Foshay. If you know anything about, if you're a TikTok guru,
Monetizing.
if you're a TikTok guru monetizer, the link will be posted below. Reach out to us. We'll bring you on the platform. You can educate both Foshay and
Yep.
Wahoo's on how to get
Already.
monetized. Because
Yes, sir.
we some lazy Samoans, bro. We do not want to do the research and read the whole damn thing, bro. You know what I'm saying? Do a
Right.
tutorial. Shit.
Right.
Do something.
Do something like that. Yeah. Send me a video about it and shit. Yeah. So man, I'm really man. I appreciate this opportunity, man. Real talk,
Hey, the feeling's mutual, bro. I mean,
Yeah.
this is what the platform is all about. Why
Right.
Uce is all about going out there, putting the spotlight on our polys, you know what I'm saying,
There
on
you
our
go.
people,
There you
letting the world, giving the our future generation hope that, besides a regular 9 to 5 job, man, you
go.
can
Right.
do stuff like
Do
this,
something else. Right.
you know.
Right. Yeah. You're right. How long you started this? How long ago you started it?
It's been going on for a year and a half now.
3.5. Okay, that's what's
Yep,
up.
a
Yeah.
year and a half.
Yeah.
Yep. I
And
started. Go ahead.
and you got all social media platforms, right? Like Facebook, everything,
Most
huh?
of them. I had
Okay.
everything, but I got off of X and I got off of what is the other ones? The other ones. Right now, the main
Okay.
ones that I do is through Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube.
Okay.
Those are the main hitters for me, man. I had
Yeah.
LinkedIn, I had Snapchat, I had X and all the other ones, but after a year and a half, I started getting into analytical stuff, understanding what the audience want. Then I started
Okay.
tuning it down into, focusing. Well,
Right.
that's a social media side, but also you got Spotify, iHeartRadio, and Apple, and other podcast platforms that for the MP3 or the sound for podcasting. Because a lot of people like myself, I don't know about you, I'm 43, and the older I got, music I can only do that so long, especially when I'm working long hours. So I like to tune in and get myself educated, or just learn about something new through podcasting. And that's why I like the podcast world, because it's like what we're doing right now. We're just having a conversation.
There you go. Yeah.
And before you know it, it's time to clock out. Heck yeah.
Right. That's it. Yeah. That's
Move
it.
on.
But I like that. I like that.
Yep.
This is nice right here. This cool. I like that.
It's a different revenue, man.
But
for some reason, I'm not going to say some reason. There's a lot of American Samoans and Samoa from America who are doing podcasts. Shout out to all of them. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
There are also a lot in Australia, and around the world, Samoans that does their podcasts. So it's a different genre, I guess, or a different industry of entertainment.
Right.
It's about those that enjoy talking, man.
Yeah. It is. It's a good thing. It's a good thing, man. It's nice. It's nice just talking about stuff. You hear me? And then interviewing whatever question you want to. Hey, ask away. You hear me?
What's up with the Foshay shades? You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah. I got about 100 pairs, man.
Damn, go ahead. Model time. What you got there?
It says no.
No.
Yeah. It said no. So this is what I use at work. When the supervisor or lead come to me, hey, you gotta do this. No, let me put them on. Your boy don't play that. Yeah, I don't play that. Well, you play too much.
Oh shoot!
Yeah. And then you got something. They got all different kinds of shades.
So what do you call those ones? What are those for shades?
This is to look through your pepelos. When you pepelo to me, when you pepelo to me, I can see it through this.
Play too much.
There you go. They play too much. Yeah.
Did you ever get any of the shades from Tene Meuli or Tene Uli?
Tene Uli?
Yeah.
No, I ain't never got none from her.
What? You didn't see any of her? She used to be selling shades too and stuff.
Oh, word?
Yeah, I got.
And
So she got us on the what was it? I think it was around last year or maybe
mm-hmm.
beginning of this year. She was doing a raffle or a giveaway. I think it's a
Mm.
giveaway for $10,000.
Oh wow.
So that's how she got us. I
Mm.
purchased like 20 of them shades, right?
Damn,
20 of
what? Damn, my
Hey, there's a
boy.
lot of us that purchased more than that, but it was
Of
good
course,
deals. Sis
of
was
course.
getting, she hooked it up with the deals. It was like
Okay.
$5. So of
Oh shit,
course,
that's
man.
what's up.
Yeah, but those are some nice shades that she had, man.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
your boy didn't get that 10 grand, but whoever got
yeah.
that 10 grand, man, shoot.
That would have been nice right there. That would have been nice. Yeah, I purchased some shade from damn, I forgot this the Samoan design. The
I
You
think
seen that?
Coconut Oos was talking about that too.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah.
The Samoan design. Yeah, I had got something from them too on TikTok. Off of TikTok. You know.
Mm,
I forgot their name, but yeah.
yeah,
They
but
were nice though.
TikTok, yeah, it was me and Queen, my partner for the Uce Podcast. Yeah, we used to put our merchandise on TikTok Shop, man.
Oh,
But
word?
man, you gotta have money, yo. You gotta have a lot of money, investments, you know what I'm saying, for backup because
Mm.
TikTok be ripping you off, Oos.
Oh, of course. Yeah, I heard about that. They be cutting like almost half of
Yeah.
your thing,
Yeah,
when
that's why
you
everything's so cheap, bro. You know what I'm saying?
right.
They can do that. They're like the
Yeah,
landlord, bro. They can.
yeah.
That's
I
that
feel you.
Walmart mentality, man. You got a
Right,
platform. Hey, you can
right.
come to my platform, but I'm gonna
Yeah,
sell your merchandise for this much. So
right.
that way, and people buy them. And I was just like, totally, I owe you. I'm like, what
Right.
the heck?
Right. You right about that. Yeah. Yeah.
Cut them
TikTok.
off, bro. We cut them off. We're like, no, we
Yeah.
ain't doing this, man.
Yeah, no. Yeah, no. You might as well just get your own website and do
And
sell
that's
your merch on it.
uh,
Yep.
that's
Yep.
what we do. We got
Yeah,
our
yeah.
website that's up and
Okay.
running. That's what sponsors our podcast.
Okay.
Is
Oh shit.
through our
Word.
merchandise on our website at
Word.
yoos.com.
Oh wow,
Yep,
stop. All right, I'm gonna check it
yep,
out then, Oos.
yep.
Got you.
We are only supporters, brother. We are
Yeah.
looking, but we are accepting sponsorship. You
Oh, of
know what I'm
course.
saying?
Of course. You already know, you hear me?
I gotta throw it out there, yo. You know what
Yeah,
I'm saying?
light work. Light work. Come on now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Let's do that. That'll be good, Oos. That'll be good. Yeah, I'm gonna go check it out. For the listeners, hey man, just make sure y'all tune in on this podcast. If you a big old name artist and big TikTok, our Polynesian people, our Poly people, come on here and support. You hear me? Support the Usos, support the YUs, man. Don't be acting like you too good for your boy, you hear me? Cause you ain't never too good for nobody. But
Oh
yeah, that's real
shit.
talk.
Man, I
Yeah,
appreciate that, brother. Yeah,
yeah.
man,
All love, Uso.
get us before the Wyoos takes off, yo.
Right, of course. Yeah, yeah, right. Because when it takes off, yeah, you gonna be outside. But
they'll be they'll be
hey,
gatekeeping,
we don't play
yo.
about that.
Dude, come on now. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying? We need to
yeah.
all stay together, man.
Come
And that's the
on
thing,
now.
though. You know what I'm saying? A lot of Polynesians don't understand, bro. There's so much money to be made for
So much,
everybody.
so much. Yeah, it's a
People
lot
need
of
to
money to
get,
go around.
yeah, a lot of money to go around.
Right. You
You know what
can't
I'm
be
saying?
greedy about what you doing. Like shit ideas. Right.
Mhm. Stop holding
Serious.
your own people back, man.
There you go. Yeah, we gotta support each other. That's our thing. Support each other and stop hating on each other. You hear me?
For real, bro. So what's
Yeah.
your take on any Polynesians out here in the US that you think is doing a good thing that's made it? What's your take on Dwayne Johnson?
Dwayne Johnson, tell
You
the
think he
Uso,
supports the Usos?
Also, you know what? Dwayne Johnson, man, he's one of them big movie stars. So I don't even think he be trying to support us. I mean, he represent for us. He represent. He represent and all that, but I don't know what he doing outside, like supporting us or not. But that's just on him. Whatever he do, that's him. We can't
Yeah.
be mad at what he do.
I ain't
And
mad at
people
what he's doing.
yeah,
I'm just
yeah.
saying, like, the fact is, like, you know what I'm saying? If you're gonna represent your Polynesian and you're
Right,
using us Polynesian, your Polynesian ethnicity as one of the tools of why you're there where
right,
you're at,
right.
where is you trying to help us out? Because I
Right.
don't
Yeah,
see
you
that.
right about that. No, you are right about that. Uso. You are right about that. But they just doing their thing. And they probably don't even think about us like that. Like
Why is it like that, bro? Why do you think American Samoans are like that in America? It's not
right.
like over.
That's
It's not like that in New Zealand or Australia. Or I could be
yeah.
wrong. I don't know. I
Yeah,
never
yeah,
lived
yeah, yeah.
there, but it
Right.
seems like they all network together. They all work together.
Right, but that is crazy though. Like usually when we come out here to the state, like we support, like we say, "Oh, what's up, fools?" Like we like family when we see each other. But as coming and supporting business and all that, like to help a brother out and all that, like they probably not on that level. You hear me? They probably not on that. They just want to do their own thing. They just want to be saying, oh, "Okay, I'm doing better than that. I can do better than this." Like, come on now, be serious. Come on now.
Why do you think that though? That's the number one question I be asking
It's
myself.
so crazy. Yeah, it's so crazy. So because a lot of people got a different mindset. You hear me? Because a lot of people, like real talk, I'm not gonna lie to you. A lot of people got that heart of jealousy. You know, some of
Mm,
them they just want to be, oh, I'm keep it to myself. If I'm doing good at this, I'm gonna keep going, and nobody else gonna know about what I'm doing. You hear me? Or if another Uso is doing better, like why can't I just come and support you? If you know you up there, come down here and support me. You hear me?
yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah.
Remember how it was when you first started? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Yeah, when I first started, even when I first started, like, bro, I wasn't even big like that. But ever since I did the J King Cinderella
Yeah. The
duet,
center. Yep.
yeah, I did a rap on that, and then that's when my followers jump up from 3 to 6, and then when I started saying to hey, agency, that's when it went up and shit. So it's just stuff that I think that like your mindset. You say, oh, you got to post stuff that people like to watch. Like to watch it, even if it's stupid or not. Just post it. A lot of people like to watch crazy shit, stupid and funny. A
Yeah.
lot of people like to do that, like to watch that. So but it's all good though. That's just me right now. So whatever I post, if you don't like it, oh well, keep it moving.
There's 100,000 of them that do like it, bro. That's for sure.
Yeah, I
For
appreciate
sure.
that,
That's
man.
for sure.
Hey, that's Foshay with it. We keep it Foshay, you heard me?
For
That's
real,
Foshay.
bro. Yeah,
Yeah.
man. Just even your little clip that I posted you that I did a shout out to you.
Right. But you better watch your muckers.
Bro, man. Did you like that, brother?
Oh, I love it. Uso, man. I posted it on TikTok and like 6 or 7 of my family members shared that video.
Bro, yeah,
Oh,
that's
on,
that's the
on
one that's hit.
Facebook. On Facebook.
But
Yeah.
I'm talking about TikTok, bro. Your
Yeah.
numbers, your video, the one where I
Yeah.
shot you out,
Yeah.
well, like it broke numbers for my side,
Oh,
for
hell
my platform,
no.
bro. On the
Hey.
real, brother. On the real,
Okay,
Uso.
family, kangaro ka man.
You play too much.
Ngala esi apoko marobika.
Oh, so check my numbers, brother. I told
I
you
got
I'm a numbers guy. Go check
yeah,
my
yeah.
number, bro. I would have
There
been
you
lying to
go.
you,
Yeah,
brother.
yeah. We
I
go
was
by the
just
numbers.
like, man, my Oos right here, bro,
Yeah,
is
yeah.
really like a
Yeah.
celebrity in the TikTok world, and that's so
Yeah,
that's the funny thing about social media, right?
yeah, it is.
So when I reach out to folks on Facebook or Instagram, my numbers are very low over there.
Yeah, yeah.
And I was like, oh, they're not looking at me over here, but it's all right. I got my TikTok family. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, yeah,
there's
yeah, yeah.
something about TikTok, bro, like that really
Right.
travels farther, and the
It do.
support is a lot more authentic.
Right, right. But still though, even on Facebook and Instagram, you shouldn't even look at it like that. You hear me? When I also reach out to you, I got my podcast you want to jump on, man, come
Yeah.
on. Jump on here. Have you ever get a swell or something?
No, I
Yeah.
try to reach out to him. I try to reach out to him on through the what is it, TikTok thing. But I
Yeah.
think Asuelu stuff is getting monitored.
Oh, monitor, okay.
I don't know. The Usman, I don't know, man. Well, you're big like
No,
that,
you got
bro.
it.
You might
Instagram
have
and Facebook too.
yeah. I reached
Yeah,
out to
yeah,
the Oos. I try to reach
yeah.
out to the Oos, but
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
sometimes those guys have like big followers that which
Yeah.
I'm trying to assume that oh, it's okay. I'm not at that level yet. You know what I'm saying? Because I think they would
Nah, nah, yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't even think about it like that. Yeah. Followers
yeah,
is just followers for me, but when it comes to people and all that, yeah, I'm down
support,
with it. Yeah,
especially our
already.
own people. Yeah, man.
Of
That's how
course, of course.
trying to
That's it.
educate our people on it. I
Yeah,
gotta stop
that's
saying
it.
educate. I'm just trying to spread awareness. There you
Right.
go.
Support is the word for the night. Support. You hear
Support.
me? Yeah.
I didn't
What?
care. She comes.
I didn't care. Just go support.
That's the truth. That's the truth right
Yeah,
there for the side
yeah,
boys to go.
yeah. I didn't care. Just sit there and support. Oh, you better watch your mouth. O porque ele fio poco de support.
It's all good, brother,
Yeah,
man.
it's all good. Yeah. So when y'all
But
see
bro,
this, man,
uh-huh.
support also why you man. Support him. Go follow him. Support him. Hey, like it, everything. You hear me?
You
Like
heard
it
the man say it, brother. You heard Foshay, man. Come on now, all the followers out there. Make sure you hit
Right.
that like, hit that like, and repost the
Yeah.
videos, yo.
There you go. Repost the video, do with the video, hey, or share the video, man. Do all that. You know what I mean? If you don't know how to do all that, hit me up. I'll show you.
There you go. But don't send your wife, because the Uce might, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you may get mad, but hey, it ain't just yes, sir. Watch
So,
your mouth.
I appreciate you, brother, for real, man. I
Oh,
appreciate
good,
you
mouse. So really
for
appreciate you too. You hear me?
taking the time out over here to come on this little small platform as
Oh,
we start off this journey of just
yeah.
putting spotlight on our Polynesian people, man.
You're
So
gonna
from
do some big things. You're gonna do some big things in the future.
so I hope so. Uce lila vafa,
Oh yeah, I feel you about that. I feel you on that one. I feel in that one, but you mean you just me. I love to work, so
I'm with you, brother. I mean, I
yeah,
really do feel like that. And I'm trying to encourage the young generation and also
right,
people my age. Hey,
right,
you get bored at your job, do what I'm doing. Find
mm,
a hobby that's gonna make you happy because you
right.
know
There
what I'm
you
saying.
go. There you go.
Eventually, if this does kick off, yeah, glory to God.
Right. There you go.
If it
Yeah.
doesn't kick off, man, I'm still happy, man. I really
Yeah,
am.
yeah. Because I'm 41 and I work harder than all them young cats over here, like 20-year-olds, under 20. Like, bro, they be looking at me. How you got all that energy, man? I say, I'm different, man. I'm built different. I'm Samoan.
Yeah.
So that's what I be telling them. So, you know,
Yeah. The
but
20-year-olds,
everything,
man, that's a
yeah,
different topic, bro.
yeah, yeah, I know.
That's gonna take us another hour.
Right,
Another
of
hour
course.
just
Yeah,
talk about them, man.
yeah, it is. It is a lot. Yeah, it is a lot because I see how they work over there. They always be praising me and say, "Oh, dang man, you gonna be the #1 draft for a TDY if they do send a TDY." So,
Mm.
but yeah, because they talking about sending us to Connecticut and all that. So, but it's all good. I say if they pick me or not, I ain't worried about it. I still got my other job.
Yeah, there you
So
go,
yeah,
brother.
yeah, yeah.
Well,
It's
man,
all
thank
good.
you again, brother. Like, I don't want to hold
All
you up,
good.
bro.
No,
Y'all
no,
ladies here. Y'all heard it right here, ladies and gentlemen. Foshay in the house
already. Yeah.
all day, baby.
We keep it
You know what I'm
Foshay
saying?
with it.
Yes. And if you like this episode, man, leave a comment on below, man. Support your channel. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
And also purchase our merchandise. That helps us keep this light up and running.
There
But
you
if you
go.
don't, it's all good, man. Keep coming by, man. I'm your boy Uce, and this is
All day Foshay. You already know. You better watch your muckers.
and we out, baby.
Foshay. Oh, with the loafers from my way and my Uce way to your way. Oh, get the right roast beef. Push the straight to buzz.
Tune in and vibe the drive. Uce? Tune in and vibe the drive. Uce? Tune in and vibe the drive. Uce? Tune in and vibe the drive.